Imagine a bowl filled with a vibrant mix of diced potatoes, carrots, eggs, peas, cucumbers, and ham. All of these are coated in a velvety layer of mayonnaise, seasoned to perfection, and garnished with fresh greens. This is the classic Olivier salad, a Russian culinary masterpiece that's both nourishing and delightful. The Olivier salad, named after its creator, the Belgian chef Lucien Olivier, is a popular dish in Russia and many other parts of the world. This delightful medley of ingredients, each playing its part, comes together to create a symphony of flavors and textures. The key components include potatoes, carrots, eggs, peas, cucumbers, and ham, all diced to even size and delicately mixed with mayonnaise. The result is a creamy, hearty salad that serves as a perfect appetizer or side dish, a jewel of the culinary world that's as pleasing to the eye as it is to the palate. Ready to create this culinary delight? Gather all your ingredients and let's dive into the recipe. Scene script. Start by preparing all the ingredients. This includes potatoes, carrots, eggs, peas, cucumbers, and ham. Now let's dive into the details. We begin with the potatoes and carrots. Give them a good wash to remove any dirt, then peel them. Their skins can sometimes carry a bitter taste, so peeling ensures we're left with the sweet, earthy flavors we desire. Once peeled, put these vegetables into a pot, cover with water, and bring to a boil. Cook until they're soft enough to pierce with a fork but still firm. This texture is crucial, as we don't want our salad to turn into a mash. While the potatoes and carrots are boiling, let's turn our attention to the eggs. Place them in a separate pot of water and bring to a boil. Hard boil these for about 10 minutes, then plunge them into cold water. This not only makes them easier to peel, but prevents that unappetizing gray ring from forming around the yolk. Next up, we have the peas. If you're using fresh peas, give them a quick blanch in boiling water for about 3 minutes. If you're using canned peas, simply drain off the liquid. Now let's move on to the cucumbers. Choose crisp, firm cucumbers for the best texture. Slice off the ends, then cut them into cubes. Remember, the size of your cucumber cubes should match your cooked and cubed potatoes and carrots for a consistent bite. Finally, the ham. Choose a good quality ham and cut it into cubes. Again, aim for consistency and size with your other ingredients. A good tip to remember is that the uniformity in cutting enhances the overall presentation and ensures that you get a bit of everything in each bite. That's the beauty of Olivier salad. With all the ingredients prepared, we're ready to assemble the salad. In a large bowl, gently mix the prepared ingredients. Now let's bring our Olivier salad to life. Start with your potatoes, already cooked and cut into neat cubes. Slide them into the bowl with a flourish. They are, after all, one of the stars of this culinary show. Next, the carrots make their entrance. Boiled to perfection, they add a vibrant splash of color and a healthy crunch to the mix. Now it's time for the hard-boiled eggs. Chopped into identical cubes, they bring a rich, creamy texture that's hard to beat. Follow these with the peas. Their sweet and fresh burst of flavor will provide a delightful contrast to the other ingredients. Don't forget the cucumbers. Their crisp, refreshing bite is just what this salad needs. And finally, the ham. Chopped into perfect cubes, it lends a savory depth that anchors the whole dish. Now you might be tempted to just dive in and start mixing, but hold on a moment. There's a certain art to this. You see, we're not just tossing together a salad, we're creating a symphony of flavors and textures. So we stir gently, making sure every ingredient gets its moment in the spotlight. Now, it's time for the grand finale, the mayonnaise. Gradually add it in, spoonful by spoonful, stirring gently all the while. This way you ensure every ingredient is lightly coated, not drowned in this creamy dressing. A touch of salt, a dash of pepper, and voila! You've just assembled an Olivier salad. But remember, don't be heavy-handed with the seasoning. The beauty of this salad lies in its simplicity. Each ingredient shines in its own right. And the mayonnaise, salt, and pepper are there to enhance, not overpower, their natural flavors. Now that all the ingredients are well combined, it's time to let the salad rest. Cover it with clingfilm and let it sit in the fridge. This will allow all the flavors to meld together, making each bite a taste sensation. So, sit back, relax, and anticipate the deliciousness that awaits. Cover the salad with clingfilm and leave it in the refrigerator for a few hours, or even better, overnight. Now, you may be wondering why the wait? Well, my friend, patience is a virtue, especially when it comes to food. By letting the salad stand, you're allowing all those beautiful ingredients to get to know each other, to mingle and mix. The potatoes, carrots, eggs, peas, cucumbers, and ham start to exchange flavors, creating a symphony of taste that's much more complex and delicious than if you served it right away. It's like a good book, the longer you spend with it, the richer the experience. Now, once the salad has had its beauty sleep, it's time for the final touch: garnishing. It's not just for the looks, although a well-garnished salad is a sight for sore eyes. Garnishing with fresh sprigs of greens not only adds a pop of color, but also introduces a fresh and aromatic element to the dish. It's like the cherry on top of a sundae, or the final stroke of a brush on a masterpiece painting. And then, it's showtime. Serving the Olivier salad. There are a couple of ways you can do this. 1. You can serve it as an appetizer, a delightful start to a meal that promises more deliciousness to come, or 2, as a side dish. In this role, the Olivier salad is like the best supporting actor, enhancing the main course, be it a juicy steak or a piece of grilled fish, adding its unique blend of flavors to the overall experience. And there you have it, a delightful Olivier salad ready to impress your guests. Remember, the key to a great Olivier salad lies in the freshness of the ingredients, and the time you allow for the flavors to blend. Enjoy!